Have you ever felt weighed down, bloated, or just plain sluggish? It's a feeling many of us know all too well. You wake up and even before the day truly begins, your stomach feels heavy and uncomfortable. But what if the real culprit is hiding deep inside your gut? Years of accumulated waste could be holding you back from feeling your best. Many people don't realize their digestive system can hold on to waste for weeks, even longer. This old, impacted material can ferment and release toxins, leading to that constant feeling of being bloated and tired. The good news? You don't need complicated procedures or expensive supplements to start cleaning house. The solution might be sitting in your kitchen right now. I'm going to share a simple, powerful drink that can help you feel lighter and more vibrant. Imagine flushing away that old waste and making room for incredible energy and vitality. Let's begin this transformation and help you reclaim the energy and lightness you deserve. So, what is this miraculous drink? The truth is much simpler than you think. The power of this gut-cleansing elixir comes from 4 everyday ingredients: warm water, fresh lemon, chia seeds, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. You can find these at any local supermarket, and they won't break the bank. This drink isn't a harsh laxative. It works with your body's natural rhythms to gently move along stubborn, accumulated material. Over time, this buildup can contribute to bloating, constipation, and a general feeling of heaviness. The warm water hydrates and stimulates the digestive tract. Lemon provides enzymes and vitamin C to aid digestion. Chia seeds form a gel that acts like a gentle scrub brush for your intestines. Apple cider vinegar helps balance stomach acid and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Together, they create the perfect environment for a natural and effective cleanse. Think of it as giving your internal plumbing a much-needed spring clean. In the next section, I'll share how I discovered the power of this simple combination. My passion for this recipe didn't come from a textbook, it came from listening to my patients and my own body. For years, I heard the same complaints: bloating, heaviness, sluggish digestion. I began researching traditional remedies and the science behind how certain foods affect our gut. I experimented in my own kitchen, combining warm water, lemon, chia seeds, and apple cider vinegar. I started drinking the mixture every evening, and within days, I felt a remarkable change. The bloating disappeared, my energy soared, and my mind felt clearer. I knew I had to share this with others. I recommended it to my patients and shared it with my audience. The feedback was overwhelming. People felt less bloated, more regular, and more energetic. One client, Sarah, said it was the only thing that helped her overcome years of digestive discomfort. These stories confirmed what the science suggested. This simple drink is a game changer for gut health. It's too effective to keep to myself. That's why I'm sharing it with you today. Let's break down the 4 ingredients in our gut-cleansing elixir. Warm water soothes and hydrates your digestive tract, helping to soften old, hardened waste. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and mimics your stomach's own digestive juices, kick-starting peristalsis. Chia seeds absorb liquid, forming a gel that acts like a soft, internal scrub brush, sweeping up debris and toxins. This gel also adds bulk to your stool, making elimination easier. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar supports healthy stomach acid and acts as a prebiotic, feeding good gut bacteria. A thriving community of good bacteria is the cornerstone of a healthy digestive system. These 4 ingredients work together to reduce bloating, improve nutrient absorption, and support your immune function. It's a simple, natural formula for a healthier gut. Picture your intestines like a garden hose that's collected grime over the years. Undigested food and toxins build up, slowing digestion and causing bloating. Our drink acts as a gentle cleaning tool. Warm water and lemon juice hydrate and loosen stuck-on waste. Chia seed gel binds to debris and toxins, acting like a soft brush that collects unwanted particles. Apple cider vinegar and lemon support your gut's natural contractions, moving everything along. The result? A cleaner, clearer digestive tract and more efficient nutrient absorption. You're not just relieving symptoms, you're actively cleaning your internal environment. The outcome: less bloating, more energy, and a lighter feeling overall. The real test is how this impacts daily life. Take Brenda, a teacher who felt bloated and drained every day despite eating healthy and exercising. I suggested she try this drink nightly for a week. After just 3 days, she woke up with a flat stomach and newfound energy. By the end of the week, her afternoon slump was gone, and she had the stamina to play with her kids. Brenda felt lighter in body and mood. Another client, Tom, saw his persistent skin breakouts clear up after 2 weeks. These aren't isolated incidents. They're the predictable results of supporting your gut. When your gut is clean, you absorb nutrients better, reduce your toxic burden, and unlock more energy for life. It's not just about your stomach, it's about your whole well-being. Simple changes can have a profound impact. You might wonder, how can something so simple be so effective? Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. A healthy balance is key, but processed foods and stress can disrupt it. Apple cider vinegar restores balance by creating an environment where good bacteria thrive. Chia seeds provide both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber forms a gel that feeds good bacteria, producing butyrate, a compound that fuels and protects your colon. Insoluble fiber adds bulk, sweeping the colon clean and promoting regularity. Regular elimination removes waste and toxins before they're reabsorbed. Hydration from warm water softens stool, while lemon juice stimulates natural gut contractions. Together, these ingredients soften, scrub, balance, and move, creating a four-pronged approach to gut wellness. The result: more energy, less brain fog, and a healthier digestive system. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most powerful. This drink is powerful, but there's one mistake that can limit its benefits: timing. Many people drink it right before or after a meal, which dilutes its cleansing action. For best results, drink it on an empty stomach. The two best times: in the morning, 20-30 minutes before breakfast, or at night, 2 to 3 hours after your last meal. Drinking it at night lets the ingredients work undisturbed while you sleep, enhancing your body's natural detox cycle. The chia gel can move slowly through your intestines, gently scrubbing and collecting waste. Most people find this leads to a complete, satisfying elimination in the morning. So, create a window for the drink to work alone. Don't sandwich it between meals. This small timing adjustment can make the difference between feeling a little better and feeling fantastic. Avoid this pitfall to unlock the full power of this gut-cleansing drink. Want to amplify the benefits of your gut flush drink? Add these 3 habits to your routine. First, boost your magnesium intake. Magnesium relaxes your intestinal muscles, making bowel movements smoother. Find it in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, avocados, and even dark chocolate. Second, embrace gentle evening movement. A 10-15 minute walk after dinner helps digestion and stimulates your gut. Gentle stretching or yoga twists can also relieve trapped gas and bloating. Third, add more prebiotic fiber to your diet. Prebiotics feed your good gut bacteria, helping them thrive. Great sources include onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, green bananas, and oats. Including 1 or 2 of these foods daily can transform your gut health. Combine these habits with your nightly drink for a powerful synergy. Relax your gut with magnesium, stimulate it with movement, and feed it with prebiotics. The best part? You can start tonight. Have a dinner rich in greens, take a short walk, and prepare your cleansing drink before bed. You're just one night away from waking up lighter, less bloated, and more energized.